Investing in a Quant mutual fund online can be done through these steps. Select a reputable platform or broker. Choose a reliable and user-friendly online platform or brokerage service that provides access to various mutual funds. Ensure the platform allows investments in quant or quantitative funds. Research and shortlist funds. Research different quantitative mutual funds available. Understand their investment strategies, historical performance, expenses, risk factors, and investment minimums. Shortlist funds that align with your investment goals. Open an account. Create an account on the selected platform or brokerage. Complete the necessary Know Your Customer procedures by submitting identification and other required documents. Fund your account. Deposit the investment amount into your account through online transfers, net banking, or other payment methods as supported by the platform. Invest in quant funds. Once the account is funded, explore and find the chosen quantitative funds. Then, follow the instructions to make the investment. Specify the amount and review the transaction before confirming. Monitor your investments. Regularly track your investments, reviewing fund performance and market conditions. Make adjustments to your portfolio as needed.